Hey everybody, welcome to the shop. 10 more minutes, thunderchief building action. Okay, with the aid of a time-lapse camera, we're ready to take this off. I wanted to take off a little bit at a time, make sure I didn't miss any lines. That one, I knew I didn't draw this one. There we go. Well, that's beautiful. Okay, now let's take this off of here. Fill our tape off. Alright, take our other wing. Wipe it off a little. Get that dust off of it. Okay. Bam! Now look at that. Draw it on the other side. And we just gotta take this, swap it straight over here. Okay. Bam! That wing's done. It's ready for tape. You guys see that? That's gonna look good. You guys see that? Yeah, there we go. There's our aileron up here. This is our flap. And our gear doors right there. Bam, bam. And the gear go way up to here, man. It's got some massive old landing gear on it. They're just massive. Okay. Now, let's get this out of the way. Now, see, we're still going to do the other side, but we're going to get the bottom of this one first. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to line up this corner and this back. And that should keep them all pretty straight. Walk over that way, bam! Know exactly where we drew them lines. Know what I mean? What I'm doing with my tape. Here's what I'm here. Exactly where I got it on that other side. On that other wing. That's why I wanted the carbon paper. Sure made this a whole lot easier, you know. Someone's chalk idea. Someone says take one of them wheels with the holes in it. I guess that's what they're talking about. And then use chalk. Well, chalk's kind of tape's enemy. I don't think the tape would stick very good on with chalk. You know? Bam! That's beautiful. That's beautiful right there. I don't know, to each your own, you know. not saying it's wrong, I just want to stick to the old carbon paper. It's got really nice lines, you know, they're not hard to see. They show up really good. A little short. Time we got left. You guys watching that? 1 minute and 23 seconds. So that's all there is to this, people. Just gotta sit down and do it. You know what I mean?